Year end is approaching, and we are here to provide the tips and tricks you need to make it run smoothly. For any earnings or deductions you will not be using for the current year, you can remove them from your payroll account prior to processing your first payroll of the year. To add or remove earnings, click Company, then select Other Compensation. To remove, locate the additional other compensation you'd like to get rid of and click Remove. To add earnings, select Add Other Compensation from the company screen. Select the compensation type. Enter the name of the earning and the abbreviation you want to display on pay stubs and reports. Then click Create Other Compensation. The earning will now appear in Payroll Entry under the Other Compensation menu. To add or edit deductions, select the Company tab and choose Company Deductions. To remove a deduction, you can click Delete next to the deduction. Please note the Delete button will only be visible after you have deleted the deduction from each employee's deduction section. To create a new deduction, click Add New Deduction. Select the deduction category from the drop-down menu. Next, choose the deduction type. Enter the deduction description and the abbreviation you want to display on pay stubs and reports. Complete any other fields that may apply, and then click Create Deduction. After creating the deduction, you can now allocate the deduction to an employee. As always, we're here to support you if you have any questions. You can review our online help articles, launch an on-screen walkthrough, or watch a video. You can also chat, call, or send us a message. Be sure to click the Resource Center for additional walkthroughs, videos, and guides.